Hi guys, I'm going to do the microwave poached egg method today. Pop your crumpet or toast in the toaster, get your half cup of cold water ready, pop your egg into the cold water, into your 750 watt microwave for 1 minute 15 seconds. Now I sometimes adjust it down to 1 minute 5 for a slightly softer middle of the egg. Once your timer goes and your toast pops, take your egg out of the microwave very carefully so as you don't burn yourself. Drain off the excess water. Serve with toast or crumpet. These Tesco crumpets are really nice. They're only 3 smart points each. I don't cut them in half anymore. I got slated for that, and they are far nicer left whole. Enjoy guys.